when I'm coming back. I could do about anything. I could even learn how to love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this install because I know a lot of people be messaging me asking me about my wigs, and obviously if you guys are subscribed to my channel you know that I always be doing hair videos because the girls love to look cute. Okay, so today's video is a collaboration with Ronniehair. This is their 360 lace wig. I will have all the links down below. I believe it's like a 22-inch, but I will have the specs in my description box with the density. This is their box. It comes in this packaging, and all that came in their box was an adjustable band. I don't know if you can see that. There's hooks inside of the wig, but I did not use this today because I use Ebon Lace Wonder to put my wig on, so I didn't feel the need to put this extra band inside my wig. And it also comes with wig caps. I feel like we all know all the wigs come with wig caps because it's essential, right? So today I'm gonna just show you guys how I put this wig on really fast. It was a quick install because I literally put it on this morning, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I style it because it was given a little bit dry. So I'll show you guys how I moisturize it and style it. So let's get right into this video. It's so early in the morning, but I actually have like driving lessons today, and I wanted to put on my wig because I want to do a springtime makeup look later when I get home. So I'm gonna put on this wig. I don't remember where this wig is from, but I believe it's Ronniehair. I will tell you guys the correct information. I'm gonna just play some music and put my wig on really quickly. It's literally like 9 a.m. and I have 15 minutes to put this wig on. So I'm gonna use spray, and this wig is 360, so it goes all the way around. Some edge control on my edges. You know, I really have not been into anything lately. I've been really not depressed, like, child, let me not put that on myself, but I've been out of it, and I've actually been having a passion in makeup. So I feel like, why am I wasting my time? I should just come and show you guys some tips, like I stop creasing and all this stuff. So I think today I'm gonna just start off with like a springtime. But the only reason I'm spraying this wig down, I'm going to show you guys exactly why I'm spraying this wig down. Because I would have did like a glue down method, but I'm going to end up spraying it down because it's just like not laying properly. And I feel like for the hair company, I would just recommend that you add more hair so that people have the choice to like cut off some hair so it can fit their hairline properly, instead of you not putting enough hair on the side and then it ends up like this. Okay, so I'm going to put on this wig cap. Alright. And same cream foundation, I'm gonna just put it along the line so it can blend in. I end up just cutting the lace all around and then cutting it down a little bit shorter right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add in that extra elastic band on the sides just to give me a little bit more security. So this is what I meant when I said that. Like, you could see the sides of the wig. It's not coming down without me like pulling it really hard. And the side of this wig is just going back. So you need to make sure that there's more hair on the side so we're able to stick our wigs down and not be struggling. But I'm gonna go ahead and stick it down anyways. I'm gonna try my best. So I just used some alcohol just to wipe my skin.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no. I've been thinking about you. You no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. kite to fly it, though I'm lying down thinking about you. Ooh, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about it still? Do you, do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Of course, I remember, how could I forget how you feel? You know you were my first time, a new feel. It will never get old, not in my soul, not in my spirit, keep it.
Okay, I'm gonna use like the darker one to blend this in.
Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever.
So this is the evening time because I did do my makeup and no, I did my hair this morning before I left. I show you guys this in the video. So I'm just going to tame it, not really tame it, but like just give it some moisture so it can look cute. So all I'm gonna do is just spray it with a little bit of water, put some curling cream and mousse. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to check out Ronniehair. I will have their links in my description box. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what other videos do you guys want to see. And also, make sure you subscribe because I'm going to have this makeup look, which is like a springtime makeup look, and my face-based makeup routine, because I seen somebody tell me that they wanted to see how I do my face base. Make sure you subscribe to check out that video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting me. And I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Wondering when I'm coming.